Hi, welcome to Village Boy YouTube channel, and thank you so much those of you who have subscribed. God bless you so much for sticking to this platform, and thank you. Actually, this is a food vlog, and it is as you can see, I'm having my okro, right? This is the preparation of okro stew, of course. I hope majority of you are best, alright, when it comes to preparing of okro stew, but I'm also trying my possible best. Actually, I'm in school now and not in my village, alright. So my mother is not here to cook for me, but I had to do it by myself. So I decided to go to the market, purchase okro and some 2 cds salted fish, alright, to complement what I'm actually having, because there's no much money, and so I need to strategize and be very vigilant and observant at the same time, you know, because if you are in UCC central region, things are a bit expensive here, and so you would want to have value for your money. The small amount of money you have, you can actually get something and depend on it actually. So as you can see, I'm washing my okro for a couple of times so that I'm very much sure that germs and other things that will be on the okro can actually wash away. Yes, so as you can see, this is a village boy doing the massive thing here. Yes. And of course, I'm about slicing it, that is to cut the okro into pieces so that you can have fine course when you are preparing your okro stew. Yes. And so even before we continue, you can, these are some of the other things you can eat the okro stew with. That is eba, gari. You boil the water, you put the gari inside, you stir it with a wooden ladle, then after which you wait for it to cool down, then you can enjoy it with it. Or banku, some of you that you know how to prepare banku, you can actually prepare the banku and then enjoy with it, but it depends on the preference, all right, or your taste, all right. So that is me slashing it, all right. I don't have the, what do you call it, the tool or the machine for doing that, but I use my knife. So if you are using a knife, you need to be very careful with it so that you don't wound yourself. Yes. So that is that, and I am done with the slashing. Is it the LSLICING slash? The word is confusing, but anyway, I'm done with cutting them into pieces, and continue watching. You see it, yeah, I'm showing you a bit of what is about to happen. So now I have my onion, my pepper, then my ginger. These are very important, all right. I don't really like spices, all right, to be adding spices. No, I go natural. I love something like that, because spices, I don't really like it. You see it. So yeah, spices, so I rather prefer to go using onion, ginger, those natural spices, all right. That is what I love. And of course, if you know how to use the tapoli, as you can see, I'm demonstrating. You open your palm and place it on top of the round edge of the tapoli, and then start to grind it. Hold the dish firmly so that you don't break it. It's pretty hard. You would realize that from the beginning I didn't add any salt. Why? Because if you add salt from the beginning, it will not. So now I'm adding a salt. You'll not be able to grind it, all right. So from the beginning you'll not be able to grind it, and when you grind it to some extent, then you add a salt to help you grind it faster. Yes, this is a village boy as usual, you know. I only decided to do this, all right, for you to see. Now I'm fetching my water, all right, under the tap. This one I can have like 2 quantity of this container, and add it to the sliced onion. Hey, what did I just say? Sliced okro, sorry. All right, so I'm adding my water to it. Okay, so now I'm about starting my fire. All right, starting my fire right now, because it's very necessary. Okay, yes, I place it on the fire, add some quantity of water depending on the water that you want to add. Yeah, be very careful, don't add too much water. This is village boy doing the massive. Yeah, a boy a boy from the village doing a massive here, doing wonders, wonders, you know. Okay, so keep watching, don't go anywhere. This is a food vlog. Let me know what you think at the comment section, because I hope that you are the best chef, but I'm also one of the best chef though. Yeah. Okay, so it's boiling now. I'm using my spoon to stir it up. All right, I'm using it to stir it up, and sometimes don't close it tightly because it will end up overpouring when it's bent. Okay, so now I've bent it to some to minimum of heat, so I need to bring it down. Now I'm adding my oil, my red oil. All right, adding my red oil, and also the onion, the pepper, the ginger that I grinded. I add it to stew. What am I saying? To steam it or what? I don't know, but you just watch the process. Yes, so then I'm adding my onion. You add your onion, a sliced onion to it. I told you that I love something natural. Okay, you add that, you stir, you continuously stir. All right, so as you can see, a very nice aroma is coming out. I can feel it right here. yes, I can feel that. It's on a fire, on a gas, a cylinder boiling right now. And so you stir. Don't let the onion get bent. All right, to some extent lift it or add the okro. Okay, so these are my salted fish. These are the only fish I use to prepare my okro stew. Right, some people call it kako, some people call it salted fish, and others. It's only 2 Ghana cedis. Yes, as you can see, I love onion. Yes, I love onion, so much, plenty onion inside my pan. Right, then I'm adding my salt, my pepper. Why am I saying salt? It's pepper. I'm adding my pepper, stir it to mix it up, stirring it to mix it. All right, it's so nice, so nice. I love what is coming out. The aroma, it's really good, beautiful. Now if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. All right, Village Boy is here. Actually, the main focus is to promote our village, but I decided to come up with this food vlog. Sometimes at least you need to watch something, learn something, and enjoy something. All right. Yeah, so share the channel to your friends, your colleagues, your loved ones, to the rest of the world. Right now I'm about to add my already boiled okro to the red oil. That is when you are almost done with the preparation of the okro stew. That is my way of preparing it. It depends. I don't know if we have formula for preparing stew, okro stew, but that is how I do my my okro stew. You can also tell me how you do it at the comment section. All right, so now it's on the gas stove boiling. All right, as you can see, very nice. It look nice. 2 cedis. This is 2 cedis okro stew, but very nice. I didn't add any artificial spices. Thank you so much.